friend. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. I am expecting to get heat in my studio for the winter, and so I was just moving the parts into that corner over there because my hubby found a cost-effective propane stove on Facebook Marketplace. So hopefully we can get it installed for the winter so I can function in this space during the winter. So thank you guys so much for your support. And if you're new here, my name is Valerie. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll consider subscribing before you go. Now, I will be unboxing two things. Let's just say two things. And there are two very, very reasonably priced things that I got at the restore. If you watched that video, you would have seen me sourcing along with my husband stuff for renovating our home, because we moved into our country home now. It was really a fixer-upper, and so we moved in. This summer was 8 years, and we've been working at renovating, and so you can't do everything one time. Well, at least we can't do everything one time, and we are living mortgage free, thank God. And so we're taking our time to do a renovation so we don't sink ourselves in debt. And so that is why we're sourcing cost-effective items. And one of my favorite places to go, as I said, is the restore. So without further ado, let's get to it and unbox those items. Ta-da! We paid $60 for this very chic lighting fixture. Okay, so da 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 da. Here we go, getting it out, guys. There we are. That's the main part. See if there's anything left in the box. Nope, there's nothing left in the box. So I guess everything is here. I guess this is where it goes onto the wall, where the junction is. Now I'm going to turn it around so that you guys can see it. It is a brushed satin copper bronze finish. Okay, you have so many variety of finishes these days. Well, anyways, yeah, check that out. I'm gonna remove this also. Gonna remove this. By the way, this is going in our bathroom, and yesterday my husband and I went back into the city to source a vanity, and I will share that with you guys. We're trying to put a vanity together for under $1,000, and I know we can, because I'm in the space of design and decor. But the last thing I like to do is act as though my clients need to spend thousands and thousands to live in a well put together space. No, you don't have to do that. You don't have to go into debt to do that. You can shop frugally. So this is the shades that go with the lighting fixture. The little knobs here get it together. So I'm going to go ahead and put all three shades on so you guys can see what it looks like. So there you are, guys. This is what it looks like. What do you think for 60 bucks? So I grabbed this cupboard door so I can just place the fixture against it so you guys can get a visual of what it will look like. Check this out, my friends. What do you think? I think for 60 bucks, this is a steal of a deal. If you hear a little sound in the background, sorry about that. My husband just decided to rehang my studio door because it's falling off. Okay, let's get on to the second unboxing. Oh wait, before that, I gotta put this away safely. Let me fill your world with joy and laughter. Togetherness is all I'm after. Yes, if you want me, I'll be there. Let's move on to this one. This one was also $60, which I think is a steal of a deal. Let's unbox her. Okay, so this one's a little wider. It has 4 shades. Okay. There we go. Oh, cool. This one said it is black with brushed nickel finish. Woo! And then it has the brushed nickel detail here. This is cool. Check this out. It's a black and it has the brushed nickel detail here. I think I like it. What do you think? Do you like it? This is also going to be going into a bathroom. And they use regular type A bulbs. Wow. Cool. I gotta take this off. I know you want to see what it looks like when it's all together, so I'm going to put it together. Let's speed it up. Ta-da! This is what it looks like, guys. I think I'm gonna have to really give it that backdrop so you can see what it really looks like. But a fixture like this could be used in a shabby chic country cottage farmhouse. Wow, now it's popping. Check that out. You can really see it, can you? But check this out. Now it is popping. What do you think, guys? I like it a lot. As I said before, it's going to be used in a bathroom, but something like this that when you're using at this scale, you have to make sure that your bathroom is not teeny tiny. It has to be a substantial size so that your scale and proportion will be just right. But I'm liking this fixture a lot. And that is why I like to shop at the Restore. They do so much good. And in Ontario, we don't pay taxes on anything we buy from the Restore. So check them out, guys, and support them whenever you can. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, again, please let me know what you think in the comment section below. And for all my viewers who have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I think it's over 80, maybe even 85% of people who watch the videos have not subscribed. If I can get 5, 10, 15% of you guys to subscribe, that would be excellent. So go ahead and hit the subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos.